break down, break down. My car broke down yesterday. My car broke down yesterday. The machine broke down during work. The machine broke down during work. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. She woke up late today. She woke up late today. Give up. Give up. Don't give up in your dream. Don't give up in your dream. He gave up smoking last year. He gave up smoking last year. Look for. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. She is looking for a new job. She is looking for a new job. Turn off. Turn off. Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights. He turned off his phone during class. He turned off his phone during class. Turn on. Turn on. He turned on the TV. He turned on the TV. She turned on the heater. She turned on the heater. Pick up. Pick up. She picked up the phone. She picked up the phone. He picked up the package from the post office. He picked up the package from the post office. Put on. Put on. He put on his jacket. He put on his jacket. She put on her new shoes. She put on her new shoes.